I think it's something to be happy about, that we have a chance at least to get him to come home.
Cyrus Gray's father happy that his son's freedom is now just $250,000 away after being held without bail for more than 4 years. Gray was 23 when he was arrested in 2018 for the murder of Texas State student Justin Gage. He's now 28, no conviction and no trial until last month. That ended in a hung jury. Now he awaits a retrial.
It's just a trauma to have, your child in jail. I mean, a young kid who was about building his future. He started work as a therapist, he involved in some small entrepreneurship, and all that is shut down. You can't give those years back.
Justin Gage was killed during a 2015 robbery at his San Marcos apartment. Police say 3 masked men broke in and shot him. Cops say 2 of them were Cyrus Gray and his co-defendant Devontae Emerson. But there are questions about how the case was investigated and prosecuted, with Gray's father arguing the mistrial proves the evidence just isn't there.
Our system is based on the presumption of innocence, John. So if you hold somebody for that long when they are actually innocent in the eyes of the law, that means you are already punishing them for a crime for which they have not been found guilty. And that's a form of injustice.
Emerson remains in jail as well and hasn't even been to trial.
Cyrus and Devontae, unfortunately, are not anomalies.
Amy Camp of Hays County Jail Advocates says their cases are part of a much larger problem of people being held for years without a trial.
We've talked to people who have been in jail pre-trial for up to 7 years.
According to numbers from the Hays County Jail, 85% of inmates in custody have yet to go to trial. Of those, 15% have been there between 6 months and a year. Another 15% between 1 and 3 years, and 4% have been locked up for more than 3 years. Camp argues that's not just wrong, it's unconstitutional.
We have to ask our judges to be more committed to setting trials and to be moving more quickly through these things. If you're going to set bond, it needs to be a bond that the person and their family can actually pay.
Gray's father says his family is going to try and raise the money and hopes to have him free within a month.
We're going to embrace him, happy that he's home. I know that he has a lot of reflections. And I hope that coming back home, his life will even be better.